macOS has some really amazing applications, but here are my 5 favorite apps that I'm using almost daily. So let's jump into the video. Now let's start with the first application, which is called VidCap. Now what VidCap is, it's an application where normally you will have to pay a subscription for it, but because I have my setup subscription, it's part of that setup subscription and I'm getting it for free. Now let me show what it does. I pick a video, right, and I import a video or audio file. You can also use it as transcription, so you can read anything like this. But once I open it, how you can see, it will automatically ask me if I will generate subtitles. So I will say generate subtitles. I will wait a little bit and it will create auto captions for me in amazing effects and stuff like this. The moment how you're talking and things like that. Now the video is not the best quality, so I do apologize for it, but
oh yeah, it's transparent and it's blue because of the sky, I think, something like that. But I don't like this.
How you can see is really good. Now the fact is, I can change the style how I want to. So I can put it to a single word. I can change the color, for example, from black to let me see here, red. And I can make it like this. I can change the font, I can change how it looks. I can change every single thing about this stuff. And how you can see, it has a preview button. And here it will show you how it will look on Instagram, on TikTok. You can modify the location where you want to put the title, but it also has some really good things when it comes to AI. So if I go to AI here, when it works, let me click, I can enhance audio, so remove background, correct your gaze to look into the camera, so it will make it look, well, it will make it feel like you're looking into the camera. You can add a background image, you can blur the background, or you can have a green screen effect and stuff like this. A really amazing thing. You can add your own logo if you want to. You can resize it, so you can make it like in different shapes, different form, whatever you want. And it's really good. It's part of the setup subscription that I'm paying. Normally this app is $9.99 per month or £60 per year, and I'm paying $9.99 for the setup subscription, and I'm getting this app as well. So for me, it's a really good offer. Now the next one is ClearVPN. Now what ClearVPN is clearly a VPN. The thing that I include in this one is because, again, it's part of the subscription. Now a VPN normally costs a lot of money, depending. You can get a good offer and then it will cost like 100 and something per year and stuff like this. Again, this one is part of my subscription and I use it a couple of times. It's really good, it's really fast. If you have a setup app, I will recommend you guys go and download it. Check your internet connection. It's really amazing. I'm not gonna lie. For a VPN that is included in that, really good. The third one, and this application that I use a lot, is called Display Buddy. Now I have a Mac Mini, so I'm having a monitor. The monitor is from Gigabyte, and the thing that I hate the most about macOS is that I can't change the brightness. This is the biggest problem that I have with Apple. I can't change the brightness. So ridiculous. But with this one, I can easily just change my brightness. I can modify the color. I can modify every single thing, the volume, control mode, I can choose whatever I have here, input source, so I can easily go on the monitor, change the input source, I can change the resolution, you can change whatever you want, the rotation, everything, or including internet of the monitor. Now, the fact that you're having this one built in from an application, a third-party app, but it's not with macOS already built in, is ridiculous, but Apple is going to be Apple. Now again, I have a Mac Mini. This application, it's perfect for me because I can just modify my monitor and make it look how I want to and stuff like this. Now the last one, with the fourth one, I don't know what I have with the last one, is called Widgetwall. Now what Widgetwall is simple. You can add widget on your desktop, right? And there's a lot of applications on the App Store that you can do it, but this one has some really good widgets. For example, here I have this widget here, which is technically it's just sounds, right? And I can just click play and I'll have ocean sound. I can have rain. I can have stream. You get the idea. The thing is that you also get an animation. But why I included this one is, one, the widget that it has is pretty amazing, has a lot of widgets, I'll show right now. But for this thing like this to get like relaxing sounds and stuff like that, there's normally a special app where they require subscription. I get this one with one subscription all of the apps that I said, I get them with one subscription, and I'm really happy. You know, I have to admit, money worth. For me, it's money worth. Now, what you can offer here, you know, you have confetti, you have a clock, you have a calculator, which I already have here. You have photos if you want to put there, stopwatch, a timer, app shortcuts, video. I really love this one. I normally have a widget video with my kids on the display, but since I'm making a YouTube video right now, I have to remove it. You have a mirror. Now what this one will do, I have my iPhone is my camera right now, so I can record it and everything. But if you have like a MacBook, it will use the camera of the MacBook, and you can see yourself all the time on the camera here in a widget on this side of the screen, wherever you put the widget. You get browser links. You get printers, white noise, which is the one that I just used to. Pomodoro, so it's like a timer and stuff like this. You have an alarm, you have countdowns, emoji, so you just click on the emoji and you copy the emoji directly. You have TikTok, you have weather, status, music, but unfortunately I can't use it. I use YouTube Music. This one only works with Apple Music and Spotify. You have calendar, how you can see here. You have reminders, sticky notes, browser, or ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT had to be included there. But yeah, I use this thing a lot and I really like it. Now the last app, and how you can see I was already using it, it's called, yes, allow. It's called Coherence or whatever thing is. And what it does, you can build an application using a website. Now, for example, I have here Cash Converters. Now, Cash Converters is a website that I use to purchase my things, right? When I have to make a video and stuff like this. And I normally have to go on their website, but it's pretty, you know, I have to go on the website. They don't have an application. What I do, I just created this shortcut, this app. Again, it's a shortcut to the web app, but it's an, you know, make it look nice, make it look like a normal app. So I can here, go to the latest one, see what they have on stock. And if I like something, I will just order it from here, and that's it. Now, what this thing is, because creating an app, you know, you can always like put the icon here, for example, and actually treat it like an app. Now, how do I do this? It's super easy. You click on the application and you give it a name. Let's call it YouTube. Put the link, youtube.com. It will take the icon automatically. Click next. What browser do you want to use? Browse Google Chrome or Brave, sorry. Next, create your application. Application was successfully created. And when I go here, I got YouTube here. Now, when you first open it, you have to give some permission and stuff like this. How you can see here, I will allow it. And now I think I'm on YouTube. What the hell is this? Let's reopen it. I think it's because of the, yeah, it's because of the permissions. Happened this one with Cash Converters as well. Let's reopen it, and yeah, how you can see now it's working. So if something like this happens, just close it and reopen it. It's the first time. And here I can just go on YouTube and use it as a normal app. How you can see, click on videos and watch out for the ads. And that's it. Full screen. And that's it. And it's a really simple application, but it really saves time when I need it, especially when I have to go on the website really fast and stuff like this. But yeah, this is my top 5 applications that I'm using for the setup subscription. I really hope you guys like it. In my opinion, they are worth. I use setup for a lot of things and I really like it. You have multiple applications if you do want to go into setup. I will have a link in the description if you want to join setup or give it a try. You know, you have all kinds like optimize, work, create, develop, or solve with AI. I'm not really using this solve with AI. I'm not a big fan of AI. But how you can see all the apps here, you have a lot of applications. You just choose which one you want, you download it, and it's included with one subscription. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you do like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.